tip $2. So I got $1 left out of the dub. Let's see what we got. Mac and cheese. Looks like it's macking. So full Zork, gotta go right in there. Father, please remove anything that may try to harm us in this food which we receive. Please give us traveling grace to and from our destinations. Bless the hands that made this food. In Most High's name, Ashe. Amen. So mote it be. I'm eating with my left hand, so y'all gotta give me props on that, man. Come on. I'm eating with my left hand, shooting with my right. Maybe I should switch, huh? Look at the cheese still sticking. I'm in the store too, man. I'm just trying to get this content, man. Come on, man. I mess with that boy. My gun got the beeper going off in the background. We all slausing with it, man. We really all slausing with it, eating in the store. Across the street from Simply Ocean. Let's go. All right, we're gonna take a break on the mac and cheese for 2 seconds. Let y'all see this turkey leg. What's up, boss? How you doing? So let me show y'all this turkey leg real quick. I love how they wrap it because it keeps the heat in. Look at this motherfucker. Bigger than the damn refrigerator. They give me coleslaw because they know I don't really care about size. I ain't gonna eat no coleslaw. I might today though. I don't know. Side and mild sauce. This is probably some of the best sauce you could ever put on anything. She told me when I went in the store that this is the first day in 3 weeks they've had turkey legs. How did I know that it was turkey leg day? And really it's just, you know, I was out paying bills, doing chores, and shoot, when I want to treat myself, I go get myself a little turkey leg from Woody's. You feel me? So I was just in a good mood. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. There you go. I go turkey piece with the mac and cheese. Can you dig it? And that's called heaven. Oh, that's delicious. See that cheese pool? Woody's, man. Look, man. All right, ladies. Only paid $16.25, man. Come on, man. Right here in the hood. Yeah, you might get shot, but it's worth it. Petty. This is fall off the bone, man. It's hard to even eat it with the fork. Have a good one. You know, what always amazes me, people won't talk to you when you say hi to them, but they'll wait until you put in something in your mouth to want to talk to you. Now they need that goodbye. Any other time, everybody's avoiding security. No funny. But they see me over here trying to monetize my meal. But that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna get at it's a 10 out of 10 for real. I usually like a steaming hot, but I am at work. So you gotta at least pretend like you work in the first 30 minutes, hour. Then if you're a player, you'll do what you want. But you gotta be able to back it up too. This mac and cheese is, man, I don't know. Fire. This smells so good.